Hello and welcome to a Major Droid unboxing video. Today we'll be looking at a smartwatch called KKTick DT No.1 and get this, F7. So it's quite a mouthful, I have to say. This is a cheap smartwatch, it costs around $50. It's currently on discount, so let's see what's inside. First of all, the box has pretty nice vacuum. You see, it doesn't fall at all. So if we pull it, yeah, it's really nice. Get the sticker off. This is the F7 smartwatch. Let's pull it out of this little foam here. It looks really like a G-Shock watch. You know those? These straps, they feel a bit plasticky at first, I have to say. I don't know how long will they last, but we'll see that in a review. This part, actually all of these parts that you see that are shiny, unfortunately they aren't aluminum. They're just regular plastic, just like everything else. This here is also matte plastic, so hey, at least it looks quite nice, quite luxurious. Let's open this just to see how big it is. So yeah, you can see here these 4 points. This is the charging port, and it's actually not 4 points, it's actually 2 points and 2 magnets on the side, so you can attach the cable. Speaking of the cable, let's see what else is in the box. We got this protective foam here, that will just pull it out. Nothing special. We also got the charging cable. And note, this is not a data transfer cable. Since it only has 2 points, it's actually just used for charging the watch itself. So yeah, let's connect it. And you can hear it clicks. So the first connection is pretty solid, but actually it has a lot of wiggle space. It wiggles around a lot. It does snap, but I wouldn't call this a quality connection. Still, those points are quite big, so yeah, I guess you shouldn't have any problem with it. We'll check it out in the review after. In the box, there's also a user guide, which is actually quite a thick booklet. It says GPS Outdoor Sports Watch User Manual. I guess it covers all of everything that it can do here, but I'll figure it out manually. It can't be that complex, can it? So yeah, there's actually nothing more in the box. This is the entire thing. What could you expect from a $50 smartwatch? The box is a bit banged up, but there's no visible damage on the smartwatch itself. This is also heart rate sensor, and among other things it has, well yeah, GPS, it has a barometer, which is used for measuring the altitude, and it has quite a few features actually. So I don't know how accurate all of these are. We'll have to test it out, but for now it seems like quite a deal. The buttons, they feel a bit gummy, but not in a really bad way. They are tactile, and you'll know when you press them. They have that click, that feel. Even though you can't hear it, you'll feel it, trust me. I'm gonna be reviewing this watch in about a week or so, so stay tuned to find out all the nitty-gritty details about this watch.